Hi and welcome to Software Skills Google Sheets. In today's video we're looking at how to change the number of decimal places. So this is to decrease decimal places, this is to increase decimal places. As you can see, each of these numbers have a differing number of decimal places. So let's say we want to increase decimal places, we'll click on this and it will automatically give all the figures the same number of decimal places. And then if we click on increase, it will increase the number of decimal places by 1. Let's say we want to go to 2 decimal places. We simply press on decrease decimal places, like so, until we arrive at 2 decimal places, and it will produce all the figures that are highlighted when you click that button to 2 decimal places. So that is how you change the number of decimal places for a figure on Google Sheets. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.